what you would need to repair the two wires that's been chopped off, as you can see, if that's happened to you, from the mower here, that's the bit to the plug. You can see you would need a stripper, wire stripper, Stanley knife, some tape, insulation tape, and you need some crimps as well. Alright? What I'm going to do with the Stanley knife, I'll show you in a minute. So if you come closer so that you can see.
I zoomed in.
Alright, so you want to go around it like this. Yeah. And then pull that. You can see now you're exposing the wire. The brown light and blue neutral. Yeah. And we're gonna do the same with the other one, and then gonna strip it down and then repair. I'll show you that in a moment. Make sure it's straight. Make sure the video is straight. Yeah. Have you paused it? So this is it. Exposed. Now I'm gonna strip them wires down, and then we're gonna go for the repair. Pause. The wire stripper. You can also use a wire cutter, the manual one, where you can just basically strip. But if you got a wire stripper, automatic one, it can do the job for you. So you put it like that in there. You can see, it stripped it down for me like that. Next one. Strip it down like that. Okay, I'll show you how to do it manually with the actual manual stripper. Pause. Right, this is the manual stripper. I showed you how to do the automatic stripper. This is the manual one. You need a cutter like that. All you need to do is hold it gently, clip a bit, and then pull. Pull. You can see now the copper cable is visible. And you just pin it like that, yeah? And you do the same with the brown one, yeah? Get a little thingy, clip it, and then pull. You see, expose the copper. Make sure we do that one properly. There we go. Look at that. Okay, and then now we will use these connectors to fit here, crimp it, and then do the other one on the other side, and then we're gonna use a insulation tape to tape it up, and then we're gonna try it again, and hopefully it should all be sorted. Right, so that's all stripped down, wires are all stripped down, ready to be joined with the connectors. Blue obviously goes with blue, very important. Blue to blue, which is the neutral connection, and brown to brown, which is the live connection. Make sure you get the connection right. Okay, blue to blue and brown to brown. That's the crimping tool, guys. This is another, this is the tool you will need to crimp. Crimp that, come closer so they can see. So you can see that's the crimp on the crimping tool. Brown goes into the tunnel like this. Push the cable in and then crimp one time and clicks. Open up. You've got a good connection. Make sure you pull to make sure it's secured, right? And now we're gonna do the same. Brown on this one, do the same with the blue one, which is neutral. Perfect. You done?
Sure.
Right, so there we go. We're crimping there. Make sure that's on the hold on the crimp. Blue goes into the blue terminal here. Copper goes in there. Make sure it goes all the way in and then crimp one. You can do a second one just to be obviously double sure that it's crimped properly. Pull, secured. We want to do that with the other side as well here. So you get the crimping tool. Get that till it grabs a hold of the crimp tunnel like that. Blue in there, spin it around, put it in there, push until it's secured, and then crimp. Yeah, and then you can do a second one just to make sure it's like proper secured. Bam. There we go. And then make sure you tug it to make sure it's secured. Yep, we're gonna test it in a moment. Of course, now you're gonna put your insulation tape around it so that water can't get into it and it's waterproof. And then we're gonna test it and it should all be good, hopefully. Right, so guys, I'm just taping it up with insulation tape. Later I will get myself a proper duct tape as well to put it around it, just to secure it properly, to make sure like obviously water doesn't go in it and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna give it a good tape with my insulation tape that I have, and I'm gonna go around it like so and make sure it's all insulated as best as we can. Like I said, I'm gonna get some extra duct tapes later. I should have a duct tape somewhere just to get extra layers on it, that's all. You can see that's proper secured. Pull that up. I'll do the same on this corner here so that none of the little wires are being exposed as well. Yeah. And we're going to go around it like that. Perfect. Once you've got that done, now we're going to test it in a minute. Right guys, so moment of truth. I plugged it back in there, so that's the plug in the socket. Can you see it? Plug back in there. And moment of truth. Cable's been repaired. Now make sure it's out of the way so that when you're mowing, you don't chop it up again. Right, so we're out there now. Press and hold, hopefully. We're back home, baby. Alright, there we go. Right, thanks for watching guys. As we've seen, that's a repair of a lawnmower that's cut. I do washing machines, dishwasher, fridge feeders, appliances basically. Subscribe, click the like button if you want to see some more repairs on my channel, Jazz's Appliances. Thank you so much.